Have you ever wondered if there's another Earth out there? A place where oceans ripple under alien skies, where mountains rise under the light of a red sun, and where, maybe, just maybe, life could be waiting? Well, the closest candidate we have for such a world lies just next door in cosmic terms, an exoplanet called Proxima Centauri b. Many have called it Earth 2.0. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what makes Proxima b so fascinating, why it might or might not be habitable, and how humanity could one day explore this mysterious neighbor. Proxima Centauri b orbits the star Proxima Centauri, a small red dwarf that also happens to be the closest star to our sun. The distance between us and Proxima b, just 4.2 light-years. That's about 25 trillion miles. Unimaginably far, yet astronomically close. In fact, if our galaxy were a city, Proxima b would be the house just down the street. This planet was discovered in 2016 using a technique called radial velocity. Scientists detected tiny wobbles in the motion of its star, caused by the gravitational pull of the planet. And what they found was electrifying. Proxima b is roughly the same size and mass as Earth, and most importantly, it sits in the habitable zone of its star. That's the sweet spot where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. But Proxima b isn't a perfect Earth twin. For starters, it's really close to its star, orbiting just 7 million kilometers away. That's 20 times closer than Mercury is to our sun. But because Proxima Centauri is much smaller and cooler than the sun, the planet doesn't burn up. Instead, its orbit of just 11 days places it right in the zone where liquid water is possible. Here's the catch. Being so close to its star probably means Proxima b is tidally locked. That's the same effect that makes the moon always show one face to Earth. On Proxima b, one side may be in permanent daylight, while the other is locked in eternal night. Imagine standing on the Terminator line, the twilight zone between the two sides, where you could literally walk from blazing sunlight into endless darkness. This is where things get complicated. On one hand, computer models suggest Proxima b could have a thick atmosphere and even oceans that distribute heat across the planet, creating habitable regions. Some simulations even show the possibility of lush, Earth-like conditions on parts of the surface. But on the other hand, Proxima Centauri is not exactly a friendly star. It's a flare star, constantly erupting with massive solar flares that blast the planet with X-rays and ultraviolet radiation. Some studies suggest these flares could strip away Proxima b's atmosphere over time, leaving it a barren rock. If that's true, the planet might be more like Mars than Earth. So which is it? A lush alien paradise or a radiation-baked wasteland? Right now, we simply don't know. The good news is, we may not have to wonder forever. Powerful new telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are beginning to study planets like Proxima b in detail. In the near future, scientists hope to detect whether this world has an atmosphere, clouds, or even signs of water vapor. And then there's the ambitious project called Breakthrough Starshot, a plan to launch tiny laser-powered spacecraft that could travel up to 20% the speed of light. At that speed, we could send robotic probes to Proxima b and actually get data back within a single human lifetime. Imagine getting real photographs from the surface of Earth's closest twin. Proxima b represents more than just a scientific curiosity. It's a symbol of our search for life beyond Earth. If we discover that this nearby planet is habitable, or even inhabited, it would change humanity forever. We would no longer be asking, are we alone? But instead, who are our neighbors? Even if Proxima b turns out to be hostile, its discovery reminds us that the universe is full of possibilities. Our galaxy alone could contain billions of planets like it, and some of them may be far more welcoming than Earth's fiery neighbor. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, just a few light years away, circling a faint red star, there's a world that might be the closest thing we have to a second Earth. Will Proxima b turn out to be our cosmic twin, or just a distant reminder of how rare and precious Earth truly is. Only time and science will tell.